Okay, so I've seen this Botanist shampoo, Botanisto shampoo on the shelves of my local supermarket for some years now. Yes, I do live in Japan. And this has pulled me in every now and again, but the price tag is a little heftier than my regular choices, so I've always held back. But I needed more shampoo recently, so decided, what the heck, let me give it a go. And at the top here, the claim is that there's a 97% user satisfaction rate, so maybe it's worth it. Now this stuff, I wish you could smell it on screen here, smells delicious. It's basically apricot and jasmine, and it promises a very enriched moisture for soft and tamed hair. The back says that it's got ingredients that are perfect for dry and damaged hair, but I guess you probably can't read those if you're outside Japan. But let me take this sticker off here and get this bottle into the shower, give it a whirl for a few tries, maybe a week or so, and come back on camera to give you my views on whether I do think it's worth it or not. Okay, I'm back, and I've been using this shampoo for a few days now, and overall, yeah, it's a winner. My hair feels smooth and soft and looks shiny, and even though my hair is fine, and I do tend to worry with new shampoos that they will be too heavy for me, this one proved to have no issues for me. I did choose this one because it focuses on dry and damaged hair, which I do have with all the dyeing I do. I think a good habit that I do have, though, is to rinse as much out as possible with all my hair products, though, unless they're treatments of a particular nature. But what really impressed me with this in the shower is the smell, the scent. The combination of apricot and jasmine turned out to be quite lovely. My whole bath area was infused with the smell as I was lathering up, and the lather is also really good with this, FYI, and it really made for a delightful experience. I also like the bottle design here, and I think when I'm done with this, I'm going to rip the labels off and reuse. So yep, I recommend.